Hello and welcome back to the NOSVW channel, and happy new year. As you can see by my jacket, 2025 has started off with loads of welding. I shall now show you. First was this boring Mazda. To be honest, I don't think I've ever seen one of these. This is just MOT work. I've also done a tyre MOT, that's gone, but the biggest job I've done so far this year is another MOT job, is this T25. It came in last year for an MOT, failed on the arm, as you can see there, look, it's got a new arm. Also, you can just sort of see the angle there, the bracket was rusted off. This bolt here, this was gone, this whole side was gone, it was hanging off. I don't know how it didn't snap off, to be honest. So it's the first time I've ever done it. I've cut this bracket out and bought a bracket from Brickworks. It's come out really well, I'm well happy. It's probably about 3 days work on and off with the new arm and the brake pipe and putting all the, putting it all back together. I've done the outer panel. That's the want of a better word, basically, for the MOT. It really needs, he's got it booked with my mate Gav to have, as you can see, it's got patches everywhere, to have seals, outer seals. This wheel arch literally, as you can tell by the noise, it's literally filler. The back section's filler. So he's got it booked in for this year to have all the lower panels replaced in a paint job, because it's not a bad van, to be honest. That's a good MOT really. I think I had two track rods, steering gaiters as well, was split, and the welding and the arm. That was it. It's not a bad, not a bad MOT really for an old car. Now the hard work's done. I mean, it had, I think 2 years ago, Luke put a Recon engine in it, so it's definitely worth doing. So it'd be nice to see it not as ugly as this. Yeah, nice to see it with a nice paint job. I think they're going to go for two-tone as well, which I think will look a little bit better, because it is a bit depressing. Also, we have this 1969 Beetle just come in. My brother's going for the engine. He's just done the manifold rubbers. He's got to do a service on it. Basically, the guy wants to just use it for now, use it for a summer and a season. Then we're going to get at it and make it how he wants it. He wants to just replace the wheels with smoothies. He's got, for some strange reason, wide 5 smoothies, so we've got to make them work somehow. The back's stock, the front's lowered, so we're going to lower the back on adjustable spring plates, replace the shocks, probably put drop spindles, go around the front and show you, probably put drop spindles on the front. He said it's very bouncy, which it's on just adjusters now. So wind the adjusters out, put some drop spindles in it, put some new shocks, get a half decent sized tyre in there, because they're very, very small. I think that's a smart car tyre. Try and get a bit more tyre on the front. So it still looks low, but it drives a little bit better. But it's not a bad little car. He said it had pink interior for some strange reason. So he's replaced the pink interior with a normal stock interior. It's got something cut in the engine lid, really 80s 90s look, so he just wants to make it more his own. So yes, a good first week, certainly into it. Me with the welding, I've never been so burnt on the first week, so may it keep continue, and hopefully the work continues and we keep going. The David's bay window out here, I don't even remember this one. This one we're doing slowly as a sideline. That is, he's got the steering column at home, so he's going to rebuild that. The end of this month we've got the electrician booked to come and replace the wiring loom. So hopefully once the wiring loom's done, we'll lower the back, then it's the engine, brake work, and another one gone. I've sold a few more bits off the scrap bay window. So that's going. This one here, I'm probably, this 25 is pretty much done. I think the roof's off already, it's just resting on that. I think I'm gonna pop the roof off, cut the sides out of it, because the sides are pretty good, and it was a panel van, so someone might want to make those back into a panel van. I'm pretty sure I'll go through and show you. I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna beast it apart. See, it's got the panel van sides. I might just when I get a spare couple of days, just blow it apart, and I think it's done parts wise. Most of the parts on it were pretty junky, to be honest, anyway, so I might scrap it. The 25 here on its side, I think the same as that. I'll take the suspension off it, strip it out as much as I can, maybe cut the front off because the front's pretty good, and get rid of it. I want to have a bit of a clear up, really. I would clear this 25, but it's been here so long, it's, as you can see, it's actually grown into the tree let. There's a tree grown through the front, so maybe I think it's New Year and all that. I think I want to make some changes, clear some of the stock and get some new stock in. I've been offered also, there's a business, I think they're called VW Parts Limited in Devon. They're decided to pack it in and they want to sell me their whole stock. So that would be maybe a video coming up if we can agree on a price. It's a lot of stuff, Beetle and Bay stuff mainly. If we can agree on a price, yeah, I'll do a video and show you what we got. It's a lot of stuff. I don't know where I'm going to put it all to, but no problem. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next video.